Let's begin the tutorial. The window snip mode enables you to capture a screenshot of a specific single window that is currently open on your desktop, regardless of whether it is minimized or maximized. For instance, you can see that 3 windows are open on my screen. If I wish to take a screenshot of my Dozro website, I will select the window mode and click anywhere on this browser window, and the tool will automatically capture just that window, excluding other windows on the screen. Even if the browser window is maximized and full screen, you will notice that the taskbar is not included in the captured screenshot. The tool has taken screenshot of the single browser window. Examples of windows you can capture include any application such as File Explorer window, web browser window, video editing software window, Canva app window, MS Word window, media player window, and the calculator window. In contrast, the full screen snip mode captures everything displayed on your monitor. As illustrated, I have multiple application windows open at the same time, and the tool has successfully captured a complete view of my entire desktop, including the taskbar. You can check out the Dozro channel for additional tutorials on Windows PC. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If so, please consider showing your support by liking this video and subscribing to the Dozro channel.